In the last class we have discussed about the air cooling system. Okay, so let us discuss what are the air cooling system, what are the advantages and disadvantages. In the last class we have discussed already how the air cooling is done. Okay, so cooling by air, so it is air cooling. So what are the advantages of that one? So in the last class also I discussed little bit, but let us elaborate all those points. Advantages. First of all, this system is very simple system. Design is also simple. Okay, design is simple. Since that is no piping system, no cooling pipes or what jackets or coolants is used, no cooling pipes, coolants are used. Okay, so next, if you are using water cooling system, then it may freeze also. So no requirement of antifreeze system. See, if you use water system, then we have to use anti-freeze system also, but here no need to do because here it is no water, so no need for antifreeze system. Okay, next is this is light in weight because there is no radiator, no piping, no coolants are used, so there is no weight is very less. Now weight to power ratio is less. Okay, weight to power ratio is less. This simple system, design is system. So design is simple, no cooling pipes, coolants are used. Okay, see, no coolants are used, so it is free from corrosion because no waters are there, no water is used, so it is free from corrosion. So corrosion free is also there. No installation cost, almost no installation. Okay, so no installation or installation free. So these are the advantage of the system. Let us discuss some of the disadvantages also. Disadvantages of air cooled system. Okay, so first of all, what is the great disadvantage is heat transfer is less. Heat transfer rate is less. Why? Because thermal conductivity of air is less in the case of air. Okay, heat transfer rate is less. Another is heat transfer is not uniform. Okay, third, temperature. Wall temperatures are very high. Wall temperatures are very high. Okay, then for the cooling system, fan is used. Okay, fan is used, so it uses, fan is used, so it consumes, it takes up 5 to 10% of power. So thermal efficiency reduces. Okay, this operation is noisy because fan is running, so it may be noisy, and it is limited to two-wheelers only. Okay, so air cooling system is applicable one air point at high altitude and cold weather. Okay, so air cooling system, we have already described how the air cooling done in air cooling system. Now let us discuss in this class what are the advantages and disadvantages of air cooling system. So since the system does not have any radiator, no piping system, no jackets, so it is very simple. Okay, so simple system, design is simple, no cooling pipes, coolants are used. Since the coolants are not used, it is corrosion free actually. Okay, so that way it is good. No requirement of antifreeze system. If we use any water or liquid, then it may freeze in the cold season, but here we are free from that system. Okay, light in weight is very less here, weight to power ratio is also less. That is the advantage. It is free from corrosion, as I have already told you, no need to use the coolants. And no installation, cheap. This system is also cheap actually. We can add up that point, system is cheap. So no installation cost is there, no installation cost, because nothing is added here, so installation is free. And it is applicable at high altitude, because aeroplanes there it is cooled by air only, because cold airs are being used at high altitude and cold weather also, whether it is hot or cold. Cold means a starting problem will be there in the water cooling system, but air cooling system has no effect. Okay, so cold weather also, in cold weather we can work, and this air cooling system can work very efficiently. Then this system is cheap. What are the disadvantages? Heat transfer rate is less. Heat transfer is not uniform, because thermal conductivity of the air is less, that's why heat transfer rate is less. Heat transfer is not uniform throughout the system. There we are using baffles and fins, that we have already discussed in the last class. Wall temperatures are very high. Fan, if you want to remove the heat, then fan is used. Due to fan, it may consume 5 to 10% of power, so thermal efficiency reduces here. Then noisy, this operation is noisy because fan is we are using the fan, and it is limited to two-wheelers. Okay, basically it is for a scooter and bikes only. Okay, so these were the things about the air cooling system, what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages. Next I will take up water cooling system. Thank you.